Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Iranis. Let me formally introduce you all to Vanessa. She's a Hyundai Venue 1 litre turbo petrol SX option top variant. As you can see, she's pretty dirty, and today we are taking her for a spa to pamper her. Everyone loves to keep their car clean, right? I'm going to show you two Turtle Wax shampoo products which will get rid of all this dirt and grime. You want to stick around till the end to see the final results. If you're based in India, love taking care of your car, and if you're new to our channel, please do subscribe. I'm going to show you my tips and tricks for car detailing in our upcoming videos. So don't forget to subscribe. Press the bell icon after subscribing to get notified when we upload our new videos. The two shampoos I'll be using today are the Turtle Wax Max Power Car Wash Shampoo, which changes its pH level cleaning as the amounts you use, and the Ice Snow Foam Shampoo. Okay, so I have the Max Power Car Wash by Turtle Wax. I have around 3 to 4 fluid ounces in this bottle, and I'm going to pre-rinse the whole car. I am pre-rinsing the car to loosen up all the dirt and gunk on it and wait for 10 minutes so that when we rinse it off with water, most of it should come off. Next, we are going to use the Ice Snow Foam Wash Hybrid Shampoo in a foam cannon. I take around 50 ml of shampoo in a liter of water and mix the solution. You can see the suds are insane, and this helps in pulling out any leftover dirt. In the next step, for the contact wash again, I use 6 fluid ounces of the Max Power Wash shampoo in a clean bucket and use microfiber wash mitts for the contact wash. In a previous video, I have showed my Turtle Wax haul. I'll link that in the card above and in the description box. I have explained about these products in detail in that video. Go check that video out after this. Let's give it a final rinse now. While the car is still wet, I'm going to use the new Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Pro Graphene Infused Flex Wax and buff it dry. Let me know in the comment section if you'd like to see a full review of the Flex Wax. Guys, the results are there for you all to see. And the shine and slickness is off the charts with the Flex Wax. Here is the final look, guys. So I'll link down all the products that I've used in today's video in the description box. You can use those links to purchase those products and share your experience with me in the comment section after using these products. Okay everybody, if you like today's car cleaning video, do give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and do comment in the description down below. I would like to also thank Abhijit and Aniket who've actually helped me with washing Vanessa today, and yeah, you can see the results for yourself. She's spick and span and shining back to new, literally. So thanks guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. Alright guys, take care of yourselves and your rides. Until the next one, ciao.